Assalamualaikum friends. From now we are going to start a course of HTML and CSS. This is going to be our first class. So in this class we are discussing what is HTML and what is CSS, and we are also discussing the basic structure of HTML. So now let's get started. So what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language that will store your data and display it in your browser. And what is CSS? So CSS is a cascading style sheet that will design your HTML page. So let's talk about HTML structure. So first of all, you have to make a text document, and save as or click on all files, and name whatever you want. I am naming it my first HTML page, and now there you have to write .html. That is basically HTML extension that describes the HTML page. Now you can see our first HTML page has been made. You can delete this text document. Right click on your HTML page and there open with Notepad. If you didn't have Notepad option there, just click on choose another app, and click on more apps. You will definitely find Notepad. Now here, what we can write HTML. We write HTML in a starting and closing tags. So now what is tags? Tags are basically um, written in less than and greater than sign. Like we have to make our first tag, that is HTML, and now we have to close it using greater than and less than sign, and with this sign we have to also add slash sign for the to close the tag. Now we have written our first tag. Now we are using we are adding HTML5. So HTML5 is represented by doctype HTML. We have to write this for specifying HTML5 document. Doctype do not have any closing tag. So now in this HTML tag we have to make our head tag. Within the head tag we have to make our title tag. I will tell you what is the work of title tag. We can name it HTML page. You can name it whatever you want. We have created a title tag, and after head tag we have a tag called body. In this body tag we store all the data in this body tag. So now save this, Control plus S. Now open it. Now see, the title that we have written is showing there, HTML page. I can display you here. If you didn't write title, it will write the file name of your document. See there. So we do not have to show this. So we have to make the title tag. So within the body tag we have many tags. Let's discuss about first about heading. So there are 6 types of heading. That is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Now we can say it my first heading. You can. This is second heading. Third heading. Fourth heading. Fifth heading. Sixth heading. Now these are our 6 headings. These are basically the heading sizes. H1 is the largest and H6 is the smallest. So now we have talked about heading. So we can make one heading. Now we have a paragraph. First I will write one heading. We can write our paragraph within the P tag. This is my first paragraph. Just reload it. Now this is our first heading and this is our first paragraph. So paragraph didn't have any sizes like headings. I can also show you the structure of HTML. Like, see there, we have a first HTML. And within the HTML we have a head tag, and within the head tag we have a page title, and after the head tag we have a body tag, and now we have many tags for the in the body tag. We can write many tags in the body tag. So in this structure we have written heading and paragraph. So we will move to other tags in the next class. Allah Hafiz.